What's up, guys? We are back. I just want to thank you all for the support that you've been throwing towards me. It's humbling. I mean, even though it's not a ton, with YouTube, but standards, but it means a lot to me that you guys are watching my videos and enjoying them. And if you haven't noticed, the phone is turned this way, and I just want to thank that view to my friend Mike from work, who is a YouTuber, and I'll drop his YouTube name in the description. He gave me a tripod so that I could record better. And today we are going to be making white chicken chili. Let's get started. Starting off, I need to get my hat. Well, that's not quite right. I said hat. That's not right either. What is wrong with this thing? Ah, much better. Now let's get into it. The first two things that this recipe calls for is 1 pound of chicken breast and a medium onion. I went ahead and cooked it ahead of time so I could cut out one step. As you can see, the chicken is getting brown, as is the onion. You want to make sure you get out all the pink in the chicken. The next ingredient that you need is olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, chicken broth, 1 can of green chilies, ground cumin, dried oregano, cayenne pepper, 3 cans of Great Northern beans. The recipe calls for Monterey Jack cheese, but I'm going to use cheddar instead because that's my preferred cheese. And a jalapeno, but this is optional. Now I'm going to probably put a few because I like spiciness a lot. Next, I'm going to add the 2 cloves of garlic into the chicken and onions. And drizzle a little bit of oil in there. So the garlic's nice and cooked up. Next, I want to put in the chicken stock. It calls for 14 ounces of chicken stock. So I'm going to use a measuring cup, which is 8 ounces. There's 8 ounces. $16 ounces. I'll need to get my other one. There's 24 ounces. And I need about half more for 28 ounces. Next, I'm going to add in the green chilies. Two teaspoons ground cumin. There's one. There's 2. Now 2 teaspoons dried oregano. There's 1. I'm out. I need to get a little bit more. 1.5 teaspoons cayenne pepper. There's 1. That's about a half. And you bring this to a boil. While you're waiting for this to boil, take one of your cans of Great Northern beans and blend them. Now that the liquid is boiling, add the blended bean, and also the 2 other beans cans. And you simmer this for 20 to 30 minutes. And there you go. You've made it. Congratulations. Now that you've got it in a bowl, top it off with some jalapeno and some cheddar cheese. Bon appetit! And that's a wrap making chicken chili. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, I thank you for your continued support with this channel. If you enjoyed it, please share with your friends and family. And if you're new here, like, subscribe, and share. Lucas out.